Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I'm going to show you how I made this lemon splatter screen wreath. They're very simple to make. They're one of my favorites too. Please remember, if you like this video, to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. For this wreath, you're going to need one sign, and I picked up the Squeeze the Day sign from Dollar Tree. I also picked up some beautiful, inexpensive florals for 97 cents at Walmart. So you're going to need some pretty florals, the sunflower picks, the lemon picks, the dahlia picks. I don't know what the blue ones are called, but they all came from Walmart for less than $1. You will also need a splatter screen, and you could spray paint the splatter screen first if you wanted to, and then you're going to need some ribbon. I picked up the lemon ribbon at Hobby Lobby, and then that was some Easter ribbon that I got on clearance at Michael's. I forgot to mention I picked up the splatter screen at Dollar Tree. My son removed the knob for me out of the center. If you can't find the one with the knob, the one with the handle will work too. And then here I just took the twine out of the top of the sign, and I'm using the hole that it came with in the top of the sign, and I'm just using some floral wire to wire the sign onto the splatter screen. I just took the wire, threaded it through the screen, then I'm going to the back and giving the wires a few twists. Now, to make sure that the sign doesn't move, I did hot glue a pipe cleaner onto the bottom of the sign too, let it have time to dry, and then you'll just take the pipe cleaner and thread it through the splatter screen, then give it a twist just like you did the wire. Now, the inexpensive pipe cleaners work best because the chunkier ones are a lot harder to thread through the splatter screen. So the cheap ones work best. You can make this splatter screen wreath for any season or holiday. I have lots of tutorials on splatter screen wreaths on my channel. Next, I'm tying a big bow. This is 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire. So I let out a tail about 8 inches, and I'm just pinching it together, and I'm going to make a loop, and I am going to make about a 5-inch loop. Keep it pinched, then you're going to take the ribbon, let out more, and you're going to make another 5-inch loop. Check to make sure your loops are about the same size. For my next set of loops, I'm going to make them a little bit smaller. So I'm going to make a loop, and I want this loop to be about a 4-inch loop. So on the left side, make a 4-inch loop, and on the right side, make a 4-inch loop. If you have it a little too big, just kind of pull the ribbon and slide it until you get it the size you want. So here I'm making another 4-inch loop. Now, sometimes when you have ribbon with a design on it, you have to twist the ribbon to keep the design on top. So my bottom layer, 5-inch loops, second layer, 4-inch loops. Now I'm letting out a tail. Next, I'm going to be using 1.5-inch width ribbon with wire. You'll want to use ribbon with wire because the bow will just hold its shape. It's just easier to work with, and the loops will stand up. So I let out about an 8-inch tail. Now I'm going to make a loop. This time I want it to be smaller, so this is a 3-inch loop. So I'm going to make a 3-inch loop on the left and the right with my 1.5-inch width ribbon. My last 2 loops, I'm going to make about a 2.5-inch loop. I have lots of bow tutorials on my YouTube channel, so if you don't like the way this bow looks, let me know and I can try to link another one for you. I also have a bow playlist and also a splatter screen wreath playlist if you'd like to check those out. Next, I'm securing the center of the bow with a zip tie. Now you could use floral wire if you would like. And then I'm going to dovetail the ends and also fluff the loops of my bow. And then if you're attaching it to a wreath, you're going to want to take a piece of floral wire and thread it underneath the zip tie. That way you can attach it easily to your wreath. Today is May 1st, 2022, so it's time for me to do my May giveaway. I ask on my community page, what y'all preferred, and the majority that took the survey said they preferred gift cards. So I'm going to be giving away another $25 gift card, and you can choose whether you want the gift card from Hobby Lobby, Dollar Tree, or Starbucks if you are the winner. To enter this month's giveaway, on my videos, you will want to write in the comment section the word May giveaway. You must be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like the videos. Write May giveaway, and then on the last day of May, I will draw one name and I will notify you on this video below your comment that you are the winner of my May giveaway, and I will give you my email address, and I will ask you only for your mailing address and which gift card you would prefer. You must be a U.S. resident. This giveaway is not sponsored, endorsed, or affiliated with YouTube or anyone. I just wanted to do something to say thank you. You do not have to enter the giveaway if you do not want to, but if you do want to, on my videos for this month, make sure in the comment section you write May giveaway, and this is for my DIYs and also my shop with me videos. Next, I'm going to be making a bouquet with my Walmart spring flowers. I used a total of 9 picks to make this bouquet. So I'm starting out with the sunflowers, so I just fluff them. They're a little bit taller, so they're going on the bottom. Next, I'm using the blue, I don't know what they're called. If you know what they're called, let me know. Some of the tags were missing on the flowers, so I'm not sure what those were exactly called. And then I'm adding some dahlias next. And I used, like I said, 9 total, and then now I'm going in with some lemon picks. I bought some extras because I didn't know how many I would need, but right now, if you have a Walmart close by that has like a craft section, go check them out. They have some of the prettiest flowers. They also have oranges too, so if you don't like the lemon theme, they have some pretty oranges. Once you have your bouquet the size you want, then you're going to take a zip tie and zip tie them nice and tight together. Then you're going to take your bow that has the wire on it, take that wire, wrap it around your little bouquet, go to the back and give the wire a few twists. Now you're going to take the wires and you're going to thread them through your splatter screen. So just be patient. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time to get your wires to go through the splatter screen. This is 20 gauge floral wire that I'm using. So I'm just threading the wires through. Then I'm going to go to the back, give the wires a few twists, then cut them off short and fold them down. Now to make sure that your splatter screen does not scratch your door, you could cover it with a Dollar Tree placemat, or you could cover the back of your wreath with some felt. I did add 2 wires to the flowers, one to the top so that the flowers would not fall forward and they would stay in place. So 2 wires to secure the bouquet onto the wreath. Just make sure you fluff your flowers, fluff the loops of your bow, make sure your tails are all facing forward. To hang it up, I just took a piece of wire, went to the top, more to the left side to add the wire where it has the most weight, threaded the wire through, made a loop, twisted it, that way I could hang it on my door, and here it is. These splatter screen wreaths are so simple to make. You'll have to let me know in the comment section if you like it or not.